Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Derby Council Tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Derby Council Tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in myaccount.derby.gov.uk and make a search. The official page of Derby Council Tax account will appear on the screen. Tap on Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password associated with your Derby Council Tax account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on the link that says Forgot your password. This is how you can log into your Derby Council Tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.